Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Amazon household sharing, family account setup step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Amazon account. Navigate to the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right of the page. Select your account from the drop-down options. Scroll down to the Shopping Programs and Rentals section. Click on Amazon Household. You will see a brief explanation of Amazon household sharing. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter information for your household members. Choose whether to add an adult or a child. For adding an adult, enter their name and email address. The adult you invite will need to have their own Amazon account. After entering their details, click Continue. The invited adult will receive an email invitation to join your household. Once they accept the invitation, you can share content like Prime benefits. To add children, simply click on Add a Child. Enter their name and date of birth. After entering the child's information, click Add Child. You can manage which devices can access shared content. Return to the Amazon household settings if needed. Review your account's sharing options to ensure everything is set up as desired. You can adjust settings for what each family member can access. Feel free to remove or edit household members at any time. Now you're all set to take advantage of Amazon household sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.